Today, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks to make your bicycle faster and more efficient. Before I get into today's video, there's something that I would like to mention. If you're a YouTuber like me, there's this amazing software you can use to help create your videos. I actually used it to help me create this video that you're watching now. You can create thumbnails, find keywords, optimize your SEO, it can even help you generate scripts. It's called vidIQ. There's a link in the description below. The first upgrade is tires. Just upgrading your tires can noticeably improve performance and handling. I specifically am talking about road bikes here, but higher quality materials are typically more expensive and more supple, and that is why they are better, but also they don't last as long, so that's something to note. But I highly recommend tires. They will greatly improve handling and performance as well as efficiency. Now, as far as road bikes, if you have particularly rough roads, you might want to consider switching to even bigger tires, but the width of tires that I recommend are 28. That's a pretty well-rounded and fast-rolling tire width. I will leave a link in the description below for a good set of tires.